Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the Strike Gymnasium here in Bacoor, Cavite. This is Motivated 3x3 Season 3 Women's Cup. Let us call on the first team. Make some noise for Nash Fernandez. Make some noise for LK Amandi. Also introducing Andrea Kaiko. And last but not the least, we got Per Meneses. And ladies and gentlemen, they call themselves Shape and Shades. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us call on their opponent. Please make some noise for Althea Medullay. Also make some noise for Marian Amoroso. Ladies and gentlemen, also we got Max Sibunga. And now, ladies and gentlemen, needing no introduction, introducing Audrey Despues. Ladies and gentlemen, they are the Lady Tigers Bacoor.
Good afternoon once again, ladies and gentlemen. Coming to you live here from Strike Gym here in Bacoor, Cavite para sa continuation ng elimination games ng ating Motivated 3x3 Season 3. And right now, it's gonna be the women's division para sa ating mga maglalaro. Shape and Shades, ang mga players niya, Nash Fernandez, LK Amandi, Andrea Aiko, and Pam Meneses. Para naman sa kabila, Lady Tigers Bacoor, Althea Medullay, Marian Amoroso, Meg Simbunga, and Audrey Despues.
Alright, ito ang history in the making para sa Motivated 3x3. First time women's, dati pa isa-isa lang sumasali. Sinisingit lang na may babae. Now, talagang may women versus women basketball.
And para sa kalaman ng ating mga manonood, no, etong Women's Cup natin, since dalawa lang silang teams na kasali, dalawang quarters yung mangyayari. Running time, merong halftime na 2 minutes, and then walang up to 21. So pataasan talaga sila ng score within a couple of 10-minute quarters.
So, a little bit of change sa rules, and looks like aggressive ang ating mga lady basketball players. They really try to go inside the basket.
A quick 4 points para dito sa Shape and Shades.
4-0 na agad. Uy!
Still scoreless itong Lady Tigers Bacoor. One notable player sa kanila is Audrey Despues.
The tallest woman on the court.
Here are the Shape and Shades. What will they do? Driving inside.
Wow.
Wow.
And this is 5-0 already for Shape and Shades.
Nash Fernandez.
There
you go.
Oh, tinawagan pa yata ng travel. And Lady Tiger is gonna get another possession.
Here's Audrey.
May brace pa yan. Sabi niya kanina medyo may injury daw siya.
Kailangan mag-ingat.
Oh!
It's Alfia May Dulay.
5-3 na. Don't look now. Kanina 4-0 yan. Ngayon 5-3.
Wide open is Nash Fernandez.
Shooters ang ating mga lady basketball players.
7:37 remaining. 7-3 is the score here in the first quarter.
Look at this outside shot in the corner. Wide open. Sinks that one. The skill level of our lady basketball players, you know, ibang-iba na eh. Compare sa dati nanonood ako ng women's, talagang ngayon, they really plays really well.
Unforced error.
That girl very aggressive. 8-3 Shapes and Shades.
Pero itong isa sa Lady Tigers, so ito yung agresibong umaatake sa loob kanina ko eh.
Oh!
Ayun, natulog. Yun yung sinasabi mo.
Outside shot. No good. Kakuha niya pa rin yung bola.
Audrey won't go from long distance. Here's Alfia May Dulay. And a steal.
Good defense right there. Ito, aggressive to eh. He's gonna go inside.
Wow! Sensational move
You know, he's been doing that.
from Alfia May Dulay.
And pinaligan ka agad.
9-4 is the score. 6:20 remaining here in this game. This is just a one-game affair to determine who will be the champions of the Women's Cup ng Motivated 3x3.
Puts his hands up and just throws it in, and that went in.
Here's Audrey. 12 seconds to work with. Firing away. Overshoots that one. Shapes and Shades.
Short
Wala
na
pa
that
din.
one.
Oh, the push-up. Oh, using her body. Mariana Moroso.
That's a man's move right there.
Oh.
Look at this. Powering in. Using his shoulder. Not afraid to make contact.
5-point lead para sa Shape and Shades. Ito na si Andrea Kaiko. 5 minutes, 23 seconds remaining. Amoroso now to Audrey. Fouled!
Finally!
Counted! And one for Audrey.
That is a great setup right there. Audrey set up square, and there's a foul. The defense was too late. And the bonus.
Could not convert on that 2-point play. 10-6 is the score. They go inside, give and go.
Ooh,
Andrea Kaiko
look at that.
got fouled by Audrey. .4:59 remaining here in this game. Shape and Shades up by 4. Lady Tigers Bacoor still looking to find their groove, their momentum here in this game. Andrea Kaiko missing on that free throw.
But she recovers. Nasa pa niya.
That's Meg Simbunga. Now to Alfia May Dulay. Wala pa din yan.
Oh, she needs to put it out first.
Nasanay sa kanto-kanto. Sa kanto-kanto kasi,
Pwede
Pao, shaded area mo nang ilalabas, hindi kailangan sa tres. Ito na ulit ang Lady Tigers Bacoor. Meg Simbungay.
Blocking foul. Lugi yata doon.
Makukulit talaga yung ating mga announcer.
At si Audrey dito, hindi pa nagpapahinga.
Audrey against Andrea. She has the size and the speed advantage. 6 seconds to work with.
5 seconds.
Audrey. Ooh, a hard hit. Para kay Meg Sibunga. Alfia
That's a little to the
won't
left.
go.
Hindi na niya. Tsaka, hindi na siya nag-effort para habulin yung bola.
3 and 40 remaining here in the first quarter. 10-6 is the score. Sibunga firing away. In and out.
Sayang yun. Dalawa sila nagagawan.
Kanila pa rin ang bola.
Ito, attack ito eh. This lady likes to attack. Not afraid of contact.
Ito na ulit ang Lady Tigers Bacoor. Naghahabol sila dito ng 4. Ganda ng atake doon. Ganda rin ang depensa ni Andrea Caico.
Masyado siyang nasa gilid.
Interception by Lady Tigers.
3 minutes na lang, no? 2 quarters pala tayo dito. Or 2 halves.
Still 10-6 in favor of Shades.
They have to be
Boston.
urgent
Big.
right now. Andrea Caico
Nice.
carving her space inside.
The right thing to do when you have the size advantage.
Here's Meg Sibunga. 5 hinahabol dito ng Lady Tigers Bacoor. Oh! Off-hand finish para kay Alfia May Dulay.
I like the idea. Always going in strong.
Nice fake.
Battle for the rebound.
Kicks it out to Alfia.
Wide open. Dulay.
Shoots the two. Wala.
Nothing there. Pinabayaan na siya doon, ano? Uy, konting kalawit.
Drive.
So, yan.
Oo. That is LK Amandi.
Alfia with the rebound.
Alfia, offensive rebound and a stick back. I wouldn't be surprised kung player ito si Alfia ng isang eskwelahan.
Yeah.
Ooh!
Four
Two-pointer!
did it in.
Backs it in!
Etong Alfia at saka itong isa, ano eh, I really like their style. Mas maganda yung pag pinapasok nila sa loob eh. Mas effective, high percentage ang nangyayari. Most of the time, napapasok nila eh.
1 minute and 42 seconds remaining.
Pero yung on the second quarter, ganun ba? Mana ng Shades.
On the line right now is Alfia Dulay.
Able to finish. Pero nakuha uli niya.
10 seconds to work with. Marian Amoroso. Ganda ng depensa ni Andrea Caico. 4 seconds. Getting her hand caught inside the cookie jar.
Doing a lot of racing teams here.
This lady right here, very strong.
The thing here is, alam ko, tambak ang Lady Tigers, but Alfia is actually showing her skills. Malay mo, may makapanood na yung dito sa bata ito.
10 seconds to work with. Nash Fernandez couldn't get the basket to go.
Nothing but air.
At si Audrey balik na dito para sa Lady Tigers Bacoor.
I haven't seen Audrey take advantage of his height, no? Dapat pumuposta siya sa loob niya, pinapasok niya dyan.
Hindi na naman nailabas.
Sayang yung mga ganung opportunity.
58 seconds remaining here in the first half. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Audrey against Caico. Audrey. Definitely a foul. That's what you've been waiting for, Pao.
Yeah. Well, I wish that they could set up a play na hindi na kailangan masyado mag-dribble ni Audrey. Yung medyo malapit na. There you go.
We need to give credit to
LK Amandi.
There you go, nilabas. Thinking
Here's
outside.
Wala pa din yan.
Second chance.
Amoroso.
Still no good.
30 seconds remaining here in the first half.
I was having fun. Di ko alam, malapit na pala.
Ooh, Andrea Kaiko, don't be deceived. She might be a bit slower than everybody, but she's hella effective.
Big rebound there.
Ooh, wide open inside. LK Amandi smokes the layup. Point blank miss para sa kanya.
And they have 4 seconds. They need to take this shot right now. Are they aware?
Dulay to beat the buzzer. Won't go. First half of action is done. 15-9 is the score. And so far, it's Shape and Shades having a 6-point lead at the end of the first half. Pao.
Didn't disappoint. That's a very good game for women's basketball.
From other players po na professional po ngayon, bali na-motivate po nila ako para maglaro po ng basketball.
Second half of action is underway. Dito pa rin tayo sa Strike Gym. Dito yan sa Bacoor, Cavite. Charles Pechong here. Pao Salud at your service for today. And so far, itong Shape and Shades, nagbaon sila ng 5 puntos na kalamangan at the end of the first half.
Lady Tiger, actually, when they're attacking, they're good. I think what they need to make sure of is their defense. Tighten up their defense.
Penetration inside, wala yan. But there's a foul.
And that's a foul again committed. 4-point lead by Shape and Shades. That's good. Again, this is Motivated 3x3 women's basketball. Shape and Shades. Good pass inside. Oh, dribble needed.
Fernandez. That's a miss.
Is gonna post it in.
Alfia May Dulay, high post. Now it's Audrey. Passes it to no man's land. Ooh, the crossover.
Good defense, better defense. No, she needs to go out.
8 minutes, 30 seconds remaining here in this game.
They need to be focused in this game. Second half, those unforced error, you need to make sure that you know what you're doing. Sayang yun. And siniplihan lang.
Here's Meg. Firing away, that's off to the left.
Nothing there. Audrey probably needs to go and push it inside. Just like that.
Pito na ang hinahabol ng Lady Tigers Bacoor. Alfia taking it strong to the hole.
You know that's what they need to do every time. Do what Alfia just did.
They go inside. Challenging Audrey.
Defense. Second time, Audrey raises his hands up, but doesn't matter.
Alfia Dulay off iron.
Decided to take it outside. They're in a hurry again.
5 seconds on the shot clock. 7. Ooh, good fake and the finish.
Audrey's being eaten here on the inside. Anong height mo? Doesn't matter. 19-11.
This is what we love to see dito yan sa Motivated 3x3. Another avenue for basketball players na babae dito sa Pilipinas na ma-showcase yung kanilang talent. And who knows, baka dito pa sila ma-scout, dito pa sila mabigyan ng exposure para makilala dito sa buong bansa natin pagdating sa basketball.
That's correct. With a lot of influencer bloggers here, baka ma-feature sila sa mga vlogs ng mga influencers na to. Someone can see them.
And syempre, pwede rin nila i-vlog yan, no? And baka dito sila sumikat, find their niche.
There you go. And
finally, Audrey.
Maybe that's why he keeps on shooting from the outside, because she got that 2013. But I like what Shape and Shade's doing, just putting it in, digging it in from the inside.
Parang nung nakashoot si Audrey, nagsigawan yung mga bulls ko.
6:30 remaining here in this game. 21-13.
This might look like a big lead, but there's still a lot of time. 6 minutes and 30.
Ito na ulit.
There
Lady
you go.
Tigers Bacoor. Alfia Dulay, wala pa rin yan. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Amoroso.
Ooh. Not afraid to make contact.
Ganda ng pasa doon. LK Amandi finishing on that one.
The advantage of Shape and Shades right now looks like they have better place inside, but nakabawi agad.
7-point lead para sa Shape and Shades. A lot of time
That's a wide
remaining
gap
here in
there.
this game.
Just no second chance.
Third
Another
time's a
rebound.
charm para sa Shape and Shades. Ito na ulit si Alfia Dulay. Nagpapasab na dito si LK Amandi. Pagod na siya. 8 seconds on their shot clock. Fernandez.
Nice
ganda
one.
naman nun.
Ganda ng pick, and he was very sure that that's gonna go in. No hesitation on the shot.
Okay naman, natatakot ako tumalon. May trauma pa ako.
Inatake.
Solid! Motivated 3x3. Thank you sa opportunity
Oy,
na
nice.
binigyan ng mga Lady Ball.
Interception by Lady Tigers.
I need to apologize. I'm used to watching men, commentating men. I don't know why. Because they play, you know, as if parang ano na, yung skill nila parang
Di naman kita
sanay-sanay.
masisisi doon,
Oo,
Pao. Oh, miscommunication para sa Lady Tigers Bacoor. 5 minutes remaining. 54-16, laki na ng hinahabol ng Lady Tigers Bacoor.
Medyo kailangan nila ditong extra defense. Ayun na. Big
Andrea Caico! Boom! Flex those muscles!
Outside shot. Wow, kalawit rebound. Going again inside. Look at this. Inside, twisting, turning, got it.
Here's Audrey against LK. Sibunga against Caico.
They've been trying
Sibunga.
outside, but nothing.
Di pa nakakabutas yan. Rondo-esque move by Meg Sibunga.
Slowly but surely inside. I think that's the better option.
Caico hands it off. Fernandez. Left wide open. Thought about it. LK.
She's free, but no good.
3:40 remaining here in this game.
Just continue to attack.
Grabe. Not afraid of contact. Itong si Amoroso, Marian Amoroso.
Outside, no good. I think nararamdaman nila yung pressure kagad to kind of close in the gap, so that's why they're trying to get the shot from the outside.
Wow, strong drive from Nash Fernandez. Audrey, wala pa din. She's been cold. Ice cold so far here in this game. Only
Outside.
scored 3 points.
Yeah, outside, inside. She's having a hard time. This girl, I know she's gonna drive in. I know she passes. They try it again, no good.
No good. Shifts and shades. Intercepted by Lady Tigers.
Just no outside shooting for the Lady Tigers for this game.
2:39 remaining. We're approaching the twilight zone of this game. Last 2 minutes. Fernandez. Oh.
And the right decision, going closer. No good again.
Here's Pam Meneses. She has the leather now. Pam Meneses taking it strong against Audrey. Meneses nakawala. No defense whatsoever by Audrey.
Wow. Audrey, the height did not matter. But right now, at about less than 2 minutes, this is a big, big lead. What else can they do? Is this still possible?
They need to have a miraculous a minute and 58 seconds in order to pull this off. Oh, yun ang kailangan nila.
Talking about it. One step, one score at a time, and a good defense.
Kaiko going inside, straight to the cup.
Just too big, too strong. But look at this. I keep saying this, the Tamaros, the Tigers need to go inside.
Audrey,
oh no.
battle for the rebound. It's Nash Fernandez winning that one. Oh, Nash Fernandez scoring, adding insult to injury.
Yeah, just putting it, digging it inside.
Minute and 20 seconds remaining. 12-point lead. Para sa Shape and Shades, Pam Fernandez.
And look
Andrea
at that.
Kaiko.
Perfect execution. And the Lady Tigers, I don't know.
The most fundamental player we have here in the Women's Cup ng Motivated 3x3. Here's Audrey.
She's gonna try again.
Ooh, that's her 5th point of the contest.
But again, she's forgetting her defense. She scored a 2-point, but she gave 1 point, and with the score, they're not gonna be able to get close.
40 seconds remaining here in this game. Nash Fernandez, 5 seconds to work with against Audrey. Does she know it? Kaiko almost beat the buzzer. 30 seconds.
At this point, they just have to make it respectable.
Audrey.
Is it a little bit too
Kind
late?
of late, oh.
Ooh, and another one.
14 seconds. Marian Amoroso once again scoring inside.
Maybe the last shot here. And
Pam Meneses. 1 second remaining.
one more time. And that is that.
Will do it for the Women's Cup. Shape and Shades.
A 10-point lead in a perfect 10 debut of women's basketball dito po sa Motivate 3x3 sa Bacoor. A revelation, magaling pala itong mga ating mga Shape and Shade. But look at that, Audrey sinking a 3. Inside. Powerful move. There you go. Again, Audrey outside. She took a lot of that. She misses a lot of that, but you know, that's just the odds.
Shape and Shades. Amazing finish against the Lady Tigers Bacoor.
Nandito ngayon tayo sa best player of the game for the first 3x3 Women's Cup. Nash Fernandez, congratulations. Grabe yung taking the game to a higher level. Anong buong preparation ng team for this leg?
Sa totoo lang po, bigla lang po ito.
Grabe naman, sobrang habol yan. Pero how long you been playing? And tell me, yung buong team, paano siya nabuo?
Sa totoo lang, magkakatim na po kami. Nabuo yung play namin pag nagtitraining po kami minsan.
Anything na lang to tell to all the ladies na parang who wants to be someone like you and be part of this extravagant, big game at para maging isang magaling na player tulad mo?
Mag-training lang po sila. Ayun lang po.
Alright, and that's it. Congratulations for our player of the game, for our Mythical 3, for our first Motivate 3x3 Women's Cup. We got Lisa Amande.
Lisa Amande, congratulations. The first member of the 3x3.
And we need to call on Audrey.
Audrey, congratulations. Also a member of Mythical 3.
And Pam Meneses. Pam Meneses.
Pam Meneses, congratulations Audrey. And syempre, Lisa Amande. At syempre, Audrey, congratulations daw, sabi ni Gami.
Talagang partner
Yes.
Habol yun, habol.
Naabutan ako eh. And once again, congratulations to the winners of Motivated 3x3 Women's Cup Mythical 3. Okay, congratulations to our most valuable player, Nash Fernandez. The most valuable player of the Motivated 3x3 Women's Cup. Once again, congratulations to our most valuable player. And now, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to the Motivated 3x3 Season 3 Women's Cup Champion, Shapes and Shades! Ladies and gentlemen, Bacoor, make some noise! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're here with the Motivated 3x3 Season 3 Women's Cup Grand Champion, Shapes and Shades. Ano naging preparation ninyo dito sa Motivated 3x3 Season 3 at nakuha nyo ang kampyonato? What can you say?
Actually, wala po kaming preparation. Tinawagan lang po kami na invite po, ganun po. Tapos yun, kinontak ko na po sila dahil naman po mga ka-teammates ko naman din po sila sa Binangon Rizal. Yun po, nagbuo lang po kami last minute po, then ayun na po, nabuo na po tong team na to.
Okay, so ito po ang first ever Motivated 3x3 Season 3 Women's Cup. And for sure, masusundan pa to. And you have to defend your title, of course, sa mga next season. Are you expecting a much more great competition next season?
Sana po, mas madagdagan pa po yung games namin.
And what can you say, syempre, sa pamunuan ng Motivated 3x3, kay Boss Rendon, sa pag-organize nitong Motivated 3x3 at syempre sa pagkakaroon ng Women's Cup category?
Thank you po, Sir Rendon, sa pag-invite po sa amin sa pagbuo po nitong Motivated 3x3 po. Thank you so much po sa lahat na sumusuporta. Thank you po sa team ng Shape and Shades na mga invite ko, si Pam, si Kaiko, si Nash. Thank you po sa thank you sa pagsali niyo sa team na to.
At yun, syempre, una-una sa lahat, gusto kong i-congratulate ang first champion ng Women's Cup natin. At tama, magtutuloy-tuloy ito, papalakasin natin. Kasi ang goal po talaga ng Motivated 3x3 ay magkaroon ng magandang platform yung mga babaeng mahilig din sa basketball. So, susuportahan natin yan, palalakasin natin yan. At syempre, with the support of Mayor Strike Revilla at ang buong Bacoor, Cavite, tulungan tayo. So, itong lahat, ginagawa po namin. Nandito po yung mga influencers natin para mas ma-amplify pa yung advokasya natin to empower women. Congratulations again. Stay motivated.
Thank you so much sa ating founder, Boss Rendon Labrador. And once again, congratulations, Shapes and Shades, our Motivated 3x3 Season 3 Women's Cup Grand Champion. Once again, give it up for them. Thank you so much. Congratulations.